Thank you for clicking. Today, we are all feeling sense of dead end, surrounded by environmental destruction, abnormal weather, violence, and all kinds of ugliness by fellow human beings. Here, you and me. Let's talk about how we can restore this world. Before we get there, I would like to ask you 3 questions. 1. Do you think meat eating habit is true human identity? The answer is no. Originally, our human ancestors lived primarily on plant-based foods. But later, we developed enzymes to digest meat, to survive when plants were not fully available. However, our anatomy did not develop accordingly. What I mean is, meat-eating predators can eat as much meat as they want, right? With no problem. But if we do the same thing, we can develop diabetes, heart disease, cancers, and our jaws are not made into biting into animal bodies like wolves. Because human beings needed to manipulate animals to get their flesh, to support increasing settlers whom plants could not support anymore. So, for animals, just to become foods, they needed to be degraded. Where do you think our invasive and destructive acts to others originally come from? When we do violent acts to others, we use psychological mechanism called compartmentalization and dehumanization, in which we draw a line and color those outside the line negative as a group. And this compartmentalization and dehumanization is highly dangerous psychological mechanism used by serial killers, mass murderers, and genocides. And the very prototype of this compartmentalization and dehumanization is that on animals. One example, Nazis used Ford's assembly line system, which originally comes from industrialized killing of American slaughterhouse. You know, Nazis from slaughterhouse. For meat or for other purposes, human apes killing animals on a grand scale destroyed nature's grand design, and all hell broke loose from there. It damaged our physical and mental health. It divided us from nature, and it led to all kinds of invasive, destructive acts, including environmental destruction caused by unintended human husbandry of animals in a large scale. In a nutshell, animals are very representative of nature. Therefore, by treating animals as a companion and stop killing them for human purposes, will automatically restore nature's grand design both mentally and physically. You know the phrase, "Thou shalt not kill," right? That phrase now must be extended to animals. My last message. The phrase, "Thou shalt not kill," should now be extended to animals for our own survival on this small organic planet. It was very nice talking to you, and you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye now.